Hello guys, this is the second video of the series. Today I'll create this part in SOLIDWORKS. I'll show you all the steps, everything you should know about SOLIDWORKS, basic SOLIDWORKS commands in order to create this shape of the part. So let's get started. I'll create a part document where I can create parts. I'll go sketch, I'll choose a plane. The first thing from this part, the first portion that I would want to create, it's this one. This portion right here. It has diameter 65, alright? So basic circle, dimension, like I said, 65, right? Simple. Boom. 65. Nothing too complicated. Extrude boss base. We're gonna use this feature. Extrude boss base. This portion here has a length, an extrusion length of 16 millimeters. So right here, 16 millimeters. Great. Now I'll do now the portion from under this one. This one has diameter 36, so another basic circle. Like I said, diameter 36. Features, extruded. This one has an extrusion length of 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters right here. Nice. Now I'll do these chamfers. These, you see these things right here, these features right here. It's called a chamfer. I'll use it right now. You can find the chamfer right here. Fillet. You go to this arrow from under fillet, and you choose chamfer. Choose the edge, and here we introduce the dimension in millimeters. So we have 2 millimeters, and the angle is correct, 45 degrees. Great. Now we'll do the same for this one. This one is 1.5. 1.5. The angle is correct. Yes. Great. Now I will do this portion. This portion that you see right here. I'll do a sketch. I'll go right like that. And I will choose a center rectangle. Center rectangle, and now I'm going to dimension this rectangle. This dimension of the rectangle is 30. Right? I'll go again because I selected the wrong edge. 30, right? 30. And this length, this is 48 basically. 48 millimeters. Alright, great. 48 and 30. Now I'm going to extrude this, and the extrusion is basically 74, right? It's 74 minus 16 minus 8. 74 minus 16 minus 8. It's better to introduce it like that to not make any mistake in calculation. So yeah, the program offers you this option to do it like this. Okay, great. Now I am going to create this. This right here is called fillet. It's a fillet on these edges. Let me show you. On this side, you see, It's radius 2, radius of 2 millimeters. This is called a fillet. I'll do it right now. I'll show you the edges that are with this type of value. I'll go fillet. I'll choose these edges. I'm selecting these edges by pressing control. I'm holding control down in order to select multiple lines, edges. Oops, I selected the face. I'll delete this. Okay, great. I'll go again. This one. Okay, so radius 2, right? Radius 2 is correct. Correct. Looks nice. Now I'll do this part. This extruded cut right here. This feature, I will do it right now. It's on this side, right? I'll go sketch this side. I'll go normal 2. I'll create first of all, I'm going to use a center line like this. So circle somewhere. I'll go again here. A circle. I'll go like this. Right, so I basically constructed this shape, this profile, not shape, this profile. I'll trim entities, these portions, and now I will dimension it from this to this. It's 8. It's 16 from this side to this side, so I put 8, half of the distance from here to this middle part, to this middle section. And now I'll have another dimension from the center of the circle to this edge. It's 44 millimeters. Okay, so I'll go from this to this 44. All right, and that's it. We'll go now extrude cut. We'll go through all, and that's it. Now I'll do these chamfers. It's called chamfers. These features right here. I'll hold control down after I select chamfer and choose these edges. All right, and I'll go like, how much is this? 1.5, right? 1.5. It's correct. Great, I did that. Now I'll do this extruded cut. I'll do an extrude cut to create this profile right here. Okay, sketch on this part, on this side, sorry. I'll go for like a center line. I'll go from here with the center line. Sorry, alright, great. So I'll now create a line. I'll dimension the line. The line dimension is like 30. It's 30, okay? So I'll go like 15 on this side, 15 on this side. Alright, 15. Great. Now I'll go with like the center point, this to this, and this to this. I'll use this one, 3-point arc. I'll use to create this. Alright. Now I'll dimension this one. Is 8. Okay. This one is 8 also. 8. Alright, and now another dimension is required. The dimension from here to here, it's 62, right? From this side to here, 62, okay? So we'll go from this to this, 62. Okay, great, phenomenal. Now we have to close the profile. We'll go with a line from here to here, and that's it. And now we'll use extrude cut. We'll go through all, and that's it. Simple. Alright, now we have these 4 holes, 4 more holes, and another hole here, and that's it. I think I'll use hole wizard with this. Alright, I'll go on this side. Type of holes, type of holes. 8. Alright, alright. Okay, this I'm gonna go through all. Alright, also I'll use ISO. Okay, positions on this part. Here and here. Okay. Sorry. Positions. I will actually. So there's 22 millimeters between them, and there's 53 millimeters from this to this. Okay, so I'll use this. Go from here to like 53, right? From the center until this inch. Okay, 53. I said 53. Alright. Sorry. I'll put it on the same vertical. I selected both their centers holding control down, control key. This is nice. Alright, and there's one more thing. 22 between them. Alright, 22 millimeters between them. 22. Actually, that's not correct. It's not correct how I did it. It's not correct how I did it because I should have had a center line for more precision. It's actually 11 from here, from here to the axis. 11, and it's 11 from this one. Alright, now it's correct. This is the correct one. So we have 22 from their centers, and I put it 11 from the centers up to the axis for both of them, and now they're in the good position. All right. Okay. It's 80 millimeters. Yeah, that's correct. And we have one more hole. This one. This one I'll select hole once again. This. Also, it's 22 diameter. 22 right here. It's not through wall, it's blind, and this is 35 millimeters, right? 35 millimeters dimension. Okay, this is the one. Okay, just like the position now, right in the center of this, right here, this is the position, this is the correct one, right here. Great, this is the one. So this is it, guys, pretty much. Now let's see a section view. Yeah, this is it. This is it, guys.